What's up guys, it's your boy Manny back here again with one more review. Today I wanted to make this video because we recently got an update on the OnePlus Watch. I wanted to go over what features it added, what features still need to be added, and is it getting better? Let's find out. All right, so diving right in, the update tailored to a couple things on the OnePlus Watch. I've had it on pretty much every day since I got it. I've been sleeping with it. I can tell you it's been getting better. There's been 2 updates so far on the watch. First update worked a lot on improving the sleeping and the tracking and the working out. And this update, I just got it today actually, and it says that it works on now it adds a shutter button on your watch. So when you have your phone and you set it on a tripod or on a ledge or something to take a selfie or a group picture, you can actually go into your watch. There's a little camera app and you click the shutter button and it gives you a 3-second shutter. So you're able to take the picture of you and your friends or the group, which I think that's a pretty cool little feature. There's no viewfinder, so you can't see it from your watch. It's literally just like a Bluetooth shutter button. It's all it works, but I think that's a nice little feature to add, and it gives you a little bit more, versatility when you're taking pictures and when you have your watch on. So that's one of the features it tailored into. The other feature is I read it on actual Google, and I thought it was a rumor, but it looks like it was true. They added an always-on display, which is pretty cool. There's about 5 to 6 different faces for the always-on display. It's kind of weird. It's not the same watch face that you have on. It's like 5 different other ones when it goes into that always-on display mode. So it's not like the Apple Watch that kind of just dims and stays on that same actual watch face. It does change the watch face. But they are pretty cool. They do tell you the time, which is pretty much all you need it for, the time and the date. And obviously they're always on. The only thing that I don't like about it is in the disclaimer of the actual update, it says that it reduces the battery life by half, which now you're going into from a 2-week watch to a 1-week watch. And I think that's a lot, especially I'll show you now, but especially the actual watch faces are very minimal. There's nothing to it. There's almost nothing on. So it kind of sucks that it drains a whole week of battery off of your watch. I think that's something that probably in the later updates, they're going to fix and make it a little bit better so it doesn't drain that much. But that's what we got now. So it's a little give and take. We did get a really cool feature, but we're losing a lot of battery life. But that's the way that it is. And then the other updates, the other parts of the update was basically tailoring to the actual UI. So how fast it is and snappy and stuff like that. I've never had a problem with that, so that's pretty good. I did take it today for a bike ride. For some reason, I get the GPS to work when you do running outside or outdoor walking. It works fine, but as soon as I put outdoor cycling, the GPS doesn't work. And I can't find a GPS setting on the app. So you just can't track your cycling, which kind of sucks. So I'm waiting for them to figure that out. And last but not least is finally now it's not in the 24-hour time format anymore. Now it goes back to 12-hour time format. I'm not good at 24-hour time format, so I like the 12-hour, but finally you can kind of change it and have it the way you want it. That was something that was like an overlook, something so small that they didn't have at the beginning. I'm finally glad they added it, but I mean, all in all, it is still working good. The sleep tracking is getting better. Like I told you in my last video, I'm able to see the sleep tracking on the watch and on the app. So that's been getting better. Still some more fine tuning to come, but I just wanted to kind of give you guys an update on what has happened in the last few weeks that I've had the watch. So that's pretty much it, guys. As far as our first ever giveaway, thank God everything went through smoothly. We sent out the watch to the winner, LMs. They received it. I'm gonna be posting pictures of him this week. He got it, he loves it, he's been using it. So that's awesome, guys. Thank you so much for all the support. There will be more giveaways coming up in the near future. But other than that, guys, this is Manny signing out with one more review.